Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the phone number associated with your Apple ID. Whether you've changed your number or just want to update your contact details, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where you manage all your Apple ID settings. In the Settings app, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Name uh, tap on your personal information. Now tap on a name, phone number, email. This will show you all the contact information linked to your Apple ID. Now here you can update by clicking on edit. Here you can add email or phone number. You can add a phone number by clicking on add a phone number. After you've added your new phone number, you can simply click on it and simply delete or deregister the following number, and that's it. Then in this way you can update your phone number. Make sure to review your Apple ID settings to ensure everything is correct and up to date, and that's it. Your Apple ID phone number is now updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next